Hello, good morning. I'm here at Rydal Water and we're going to go and find the Rydal Cave. So the water is there and we're going to go and find the caves now. I need to walk round the end of the water and then up in towards the woods and where the cave is. So let's go explore now. Let's do this. Rydal Water and Grasmere, that's the way we want to go. There we're going. Down the footpath, over the bridge. Have a look at the water as we cross over. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it something special? That noise is just wow. Along we go, along the bridge, before we go up and away, up the hillside, through the countryside. This is impressive how this damaged tree's been moulded or sculpted into an archway. I like that. It's amazing how high these hills go. You can see the tops there in the cloud and the mist gathering there. And all the way down to the path down there. Wow. Walking in the countryside in this country is such a good, enjoyable thing to do. You're getting exercise, you're getting fresh air, and you get to see all this amazing countryside around us. It's just something else. I'm very much a towns and cities person, but for living and everyday stuff, but around here, wow, it's just undescribable. Some of the pathways are rocky and slippy and awkward to get by. Your ankles are going all over the place. All part of the fun though. All part of it. Look at these caves. A geological work of art. And we have the main cave up here. It was big. Lots of people here. A few dogs having a swim. Wow. The Lake District really does rock. Lots of rocks. Let's look at these rocks now. So here we have an assortment of piles of stone assembled together. Fun thing to do. Make these stylish stone towers. This one's a good one. See if we can get the other ones in the picture as well. Oh, this one's a good one over here. We've got 2 levels. Nice one with the river in the background there. It's good. See, the Lake District rocks. The countryside's on our doorstep and we really need to make the most of going to use it and see it and experiencing it. It's such a energising place, and just a day or two or even an hour or two just in the countryside, soaking up the fresh air, seeing the fields, the trees, the rivers, the lakes, everything around it, the sounds, the smells. There's such life-giving energies. We need to make the most of those. If you get time, if you can, go and enjoy the countryside. Yeah.